Good morning, boys. I hope you had a restful night and that you are ready to begin working. So today we're going to do a math assignment. It should look like this. It has a box, and inside the box is the number 139, and on the right top corner it says 139 in words, boys. So if you can please take out this worksheet. This is the worksheet we are going to be working on today. So do not forget to write your name on the top left corner. And today's date is April 14, 2021. And this worksheet, boys, is a little different. If you look at it, you might think like, what is this? I have never seen something like this. It is okay. I am going to help you out, and once you get the hang of what you're supposed to do, you're going to think it is easy peasy. So to start off, I am going to do one of each with you, so you can get an idea of what you're supposed to do. However, you are expected to do the rest on your own. So as you can see, there are many different activities within this activity. So you have to read what on the top, what it's asking you to do, because you will not do the same thing for everything. So right here on the top, it's saying write how many hundreds. However, over here they're saying fill in the symbol. You see how these two are two different things? However, they're in the same worksheet. You need to read on the top the directions in order to be able to fill out the questions correctly. So let's begin. On the top over here it says write how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in the number 139. So here we are going to be talking about our hundreds, tens, and our ones. So they want to know how many are in the number 139. So to start off, let's do the hundreds. How many hundreds are in the 139? Our hundreds place is right here. What number is this? Yes, good job. 1. That is the... Let me make it a little bigger because you can't really see it. But yes, there's 100s in 139. How about in the tens place? How many are there in the tens? Yes. Why doesn't it work? 3 tens. And how about in the ones? How many ones are there in 139? Good job, 9. So 100s, 3 tens, and 9 ones is the same thing as saying 139. That is what you had. This is your answer. Now in the bottom, it says write 139 in expanded form. So what we're going to do here is, I'm going to do this one with you, because over here you're going to have to do the same thing. However, you're going to do it for all these numbers. Here they're asking for 139. And what that means is the way you are saying it is the way you're going to write it. So 100, so that's what you're going to write. 100, 30, so then here you would put 30. And then the next one is 9, so you just leave it alone. 9. And what that is telling you is the same thing as you are seeing it. 100 plus 30 plus 9 equals 139. That is writing in expanded form. The same way, it helps a lot if you are saying it. The same way you are saying it is the same way you're going to write it. And that is how you're going to do it over here. So here, I will help you with the first one. So this is 194. So how would you write in expanded form? So let's say it out loud. 100 plus 90 plus 4 is the same thing as 194. Awesome job. That is what you're going to do for the rest. So this one is 128, 160, 135, 171, and 144. Now in this one, it just says fill in the equations below. So all you're going to do is you're going to either add or subtract. So here they're saying 139 plus 1. So what is 139 plus 1? Can anybody tell me? Yes, good job. It is 140. So if you were to get the calculator and you were to put 139 plus 1 gives you 140. And that is what you're going to do for the rest. Make sure you pay attention to what they're asking. Some are asking you to subtract, others are asking to add. Now over here it says fill in the symbol to make the equation true. You're going to use the greater than or less than sign. So whatever you think, whatever symbol you think belongs here, that is what you would put here. Always note that the alligator eats the big number. So here they're telling you 140 and 139. Which one is bigger than the other? Yes, 140 is the biggest. So your symbol should look like this. Okay, awesome. And over here in the bottom, what you are going to write, it says write 139 as hundreds, tens, and ones. So the same thing we did up here, we will do here in the bottom. As per here, you're going to continue what we did. You fill in the symbol, the equation. You're just going to tell me which one is greater or which one is least. And always remember that the alligator eats the bigger number. So it should always be trying to, the open mouth should always be facing the big number. In this part over here, it's telling you color the base 10 blocks to show 139. So we know that these are hundreds. How many are you gonna color? How many hundreds do we have? Here are 10. How many tens do we have? So it's 130. So how many? And then our ones are 9. So how would you put it down here? So that is what you will do in this one. And over here in the bottom, it says circle the value of the underlying number. So here we have our 3-digit numbers. However, only one digit is underlined. So we have our hundreds right here, our tens, and our ones. So in this case, our middle number is underlined, so that would be our tens. So this number right here would be what? Is it 600, 60, or 6? Yes, it is 60 because you would say 166. So this is 100 This is 60 and 6. For our next one is 152. So what number is underlined? Yes, it is our 100. And that is what you're going to do for the rest of the numbers. Just circle or highlight, underline anything, whatever you want to do to these digits, the one that is underlined in this in these numbers. Once you are done with this assignment, do not forget to take a picture and submit it to Teams so we can give you a grade. Also, do not forget to submit your thumbs up for attendance. Once you are done with both things, you are good for today. We will see you here tomorrow for your IEP goals. Bye, boys.